2/27/2021, Dow Jones is testing the 50-day simple moving average on the daily chart. We clearly broke below the 10 and the 20, and we're sitting on that monumental 50-day simple moving average on the Dow. If we break it, then the next support level is going to be 30,300, right there where the consolidation was back over here, where the crosshairs are. That would be that lower level. Now, let's take a look at the Dow. Also has a daily buy signal that's in play. Hasn't seen that for a long time, and it's minus 43 on the MACD, and it is. So, one of the things about volatility is everything has a bottom effect. Now, what would happen on this daily chart? The Dow pullback is still in play, even with the buy signal. And it's in play because everything has trends and short-term support. It bounces off to 50, it goes up, and it hits resistance. And then we see what the Dow will be made of. Crucial. Now, on the weekly on the Dow, we are testing a monumental 10-week moving average, as we are. If we break it, then sellers move in. And then we start to take a look at Dow 30,000, let's say 30,140. And that would simply be a major test of the weekly moving average down here. That would be what we refer to as a 20-week moving average. We do not have a weekly sell signal on the Dow, and we don't. So let's go to the monthly chart. And actually, better yet, let's go out 1 year on the monthly chart. So we're going to go right up here to major resistance and how we had made the all-time highs. And on the monthly chart, that once we got above the key monthly moving averages, particularly back over here on 9/30 of 2020, we went ahead and we ramped up, and we have a monthly 3-month consolidation right there going across the top here. And we hit the all-time highs on the Dow at 32,000. Since then, the Dow has dropped down to the lows of 30,104.9. So we hit the low of Dow 30,000 this month. And I just want to show it on that time frame. So when we go back to the daily, we can see that Dow 32,000, and we can see that daily low on Friday that we had put in. And testing the daily 50-day moving average. Beware, there is possibility of more volatility to come. Seasonality comes into play once the sellers are done. Short term, though, we will get support and we will get bounces because those Dow 30 stocks happen to be the ones that work well under this new president that we have. So the Dow is going to be a little bit different of a performer than it had been prior, because there are stocks in that Dow that will outperform. So the good news is the dip is in play. If we break the 50, we go lower. It's that simple. If we hold support and we trade up and test the moving averages on the daily into resistance, then we would look at where sellers would come in. That would be the story of the Dow going into March madness, we call it. Option trading room, free trial. Sign up.